Let's take a look at the whole process of gas calibration. We are going to start by setting up some of our experiments, or some valve information. In this upper left corner, here's an experimental setup. One click, here's an experimental message. You can see it. You can enter it here. Some of our valve information. For example, the diameter number of the valve, and the stress of our work. What is the setting pressure medium? All can be set here. And there's a check number. Let's do it again. Our program, divided into one setting and 3 checks. That is, after one tuning and 3 checks are completed, I want to reduce the next valve. We are going to click on an auto number first, or you can manually number it yourself. Then we put down here. There is a requirement to set the pressure. The required setting pressure for our valve is 1.44 trillion Pa. We enter 1.44, then slide down when the setup is complete. Click this to confirm the input. You can see it. The required setting pressure here is 1.44 trillion. This decimal place can choose 2 decimal places, or a more precise 3 digits. Let's choose 3 first. Then, this allowable deviation. That's our actual setting pressure. Error range with our required setting pressure. Let's set it at 5%. Then our seal holding time. We are now holding the pressure for 5 seconds for the whole experiment. Let's run an experiment, so our holding time is short. Then it can be adjusted now. We'll set it up first. Then it's called night mode. The difference between this single-step mode and the continuous mode is, continuous mode is what you get used to. Very skilled. Yes, the whole process can be operated. Just take 3 steps in a row. The pattern is that every time you do, this buzzer always goes off once. Then you have to click it again to use it. We are going to go for continuum here. Then choose our sensor range. It's a 16 megapascal gauge. Just choose a pressure sensor of 16 megapascals. Okay, then let's do the tuning first. Tuning means taking off the safety valve. It's over. The verification process is more troublesome. The setting value is 1. Then we turn on the pressure gauge switch. Just open our high pressure stamping check valve. Then open it. Open slowly. Don't open it too fast. You can see ours. Click to confirm. This is the actual setting pressure. Current setting pressure green. The green one is something we can't change. You see its actual setting pressure is 1.455 trillion. Then unload first after the setting is completed. Unload after closing it. Okay, when the gauge is almost 0, then close it. Then click verify. Right. You can see it all here. Then this is every one of our reminders, operation steps. Then turn on the check switch. Okay. Then unload. Open unloading valve. Unloading is not full unloading. It is unloaded to 70% of the setting pressure. Then remind the boost again. Boost is to boost to 90% of the set pressure. Pay attention when boosting. Do not exceed the value prompted by others. Otherwise, seal and maintain pressure. I can't keep it. You can't keep it now. Look at the pressure drop within 5 seconds. This is the real-time voltage drop displayed. Okay. Then unload again. This reminder, unload to 890 billion. Okay, it's up to 1 megapascal again. Okay, close. And then the 3rd time. His steps are the same 3 times. Operate according to the status display bar below. Just do it. Then the 3rd secret. After the sealing and the pressure is completed, the system can be unloaded as a whole. Okay, so our entire gas calibration is complete. If the setting fails, there is no need for verification. When will the setting pass the verification? Then click Experiment and switch on this interface and click Query here. You can check our report just now. Click to query historical data. This click queries the historical data. Is to check this time period. all reports up to this time period. Changes can also be made. We won't change it here. We can just click to inquire. Okay, so that's what we just did. Then click Generate Validation Record. Okay, here you can choose between validation records and validation reports. There are two forms. And let's look at the record first. This is what we just did. Actual pressure curve.